channel. Today we will practice Hatha Yoga asana sequence first stage as per the Hatha Yoga Pradipika. So if you like Hatha Yoga and you are a beginner, so this class is great one to do. If you are not subscribed to this channel, hit the subscribe button below and bell icon to get the notification when I post a new video. I would love to have you as my subscriber. So if you're ready, grab your mat and let's get started.
Siddhasana. Stretch your legs forward, bend your right knee, place the sole touching the left thigh, bend your left knee and place the left heel above the right heel. Place the palms on your respective knees, both hands in Gyan Mudra. Close your eyes, back straight and gentle smile on your face. Take 3 deep breaths. This posture gently massages sciatica nerves and influence the lumbar region. Also, the abdominal muscles are influenced and inner body temperature is affected. Relax, normal breathing. Stretch your legs forward. Place your palms on your knees. Straighten your back. Stretch your toes forward and backward. Repeat this for 10 counts. Now sidewise, right and left. Again 10 counts. Rotation. Clockwise and anti-clockwise 3 rounds each. Relax, legs apart, hands at the back. Gaumukhasana. Bend your right knee and place the right ankle next to the left buttock underneath your leg and bend your left knee. Place your left ankle next to the right buttock. Now stretch the left arm up and bring it down and stretch the right arm downwards and try to catch your hands. Hold the posture for 15 seconds. If you find it difficult to catch your hands, you can take the support of a cloth. Take the cloth between your hand and try to reduce the distance. Release your hands and repeat same on another side. Switch the legs, right arm up and left hand down. Back straight, chin up. Smile on your face and close your eyes. Hold the posture for 15 seconds. Release and relax. Legs apart, hands at the back. Virasana, hero's posture. Sit on the left heel. Bend the right knee and place the foot beside the left knee. Place right elbow on right knee and palm on the right cheek. Close your eyes and focus on your breath. Hold the posture for 30 seconds. Repeat on other side. Sit on right heel and bend the left knee and palms on your cheek. Relax. Virasana, variation 2. Sit in Vajrasana. Stretch right leg and place right foot on left thigh and keep knees widely separated. Keep the hands on knees in Gyan Mudra. Close your eyes. There are variations to this asana. These are traditional postures. Release. Repeat the same on another side. Come in Vajrasana. Switch your leg. Stretch left leg forward and place the left foot on right thigh and keep knees widely separated. Keep the hands on the knees in Gyan Mudra. Close your eyes. Relax and release. Legs apart, hands apart and relax. Kurmasana. Again sit in Vajrasana. Adjust the feet in a way that toes point outward and weight is on the heel. If you feel little uncomfortable, the heels may be kept further apart. Back straight, body balanced and hold for few seconds. Release and relax. Kurmasana variation 2. Legs apart as much as possible. Exhale and lean forward. Bend knees and slip the arms under the knees. Take hands behind the buttocks and bring forehead to the ground. Normal breathing, hold for 15 seconds. Relax. Stretch your legs forward and be ready for Kukutasana. Bend right knee and place right foot on the left thigh and bend left knee and place left foot on the right thigh. Now insert right arm between right thigh and calf muscles and left arm, left thigh and calf muscles. Place palms firmly on the floor with fingers pointing forward and balance the body on hands and raise the body off the ground. Just try to swing your body and come on your hands. Just try and gradually you will find your balance. Arms and wrists should be strong to support the body. Hold for 10 seconds and breathe. Head straight, eyes fixed on a point. It may take longer time for few people, just like me. Exhale and release. Stretch your legs and relax. Uttan Kurmasana. Make the body ready for Kukutasana. Instead of raising the body, slowly roll back onto the floor. Do not worry, after few attempts you will get the posture. Relax for a while. Lie down on your abdomen. Bend your knees. Hold your respective ankle with your hands. Inhale, raise your knee, head and chest up at the same time. Pull the feet away from hand and upward. Look up and back. Open up your chest, shoulders back. Hold for few seconds and release. Relax for a while and get ready for Dhanurasana 2. Bend your knees, hold the toes of the foot and twist your elbow outward and upward. Look up and back, chest out and shoulder back. Hold for 15 seconds, normal breathing. Release slowly and gently relax. Sit on your mat, legs stretched out and together. Inhale, stretch your hands up by the side of the body. Hold there. Stretch your hands completely up and biceps touching your ears. Inhale and exhale, bend forward slowly from the hips. Try to catch hold of your toes or ankle or calf muscles. Bring head down, rest on the knees. Do not hunch your back. Hold the posture, breathe normally, navel going inwards. Inhale, come up with both the hands straight. Exhale, release your hands and relax. Mastendra Asana, spinal twist posture. Bend your right knee. Place the right ankle next to the left buttock. Bend left knee and place the left foot beside right knee. Take your right hand up, twist your body. Place your left hand at the back for support. And with the right hand, try to catch hold of your foot, your ankle or calf muscles. Look back. If you feel comfortable in this posture, you can wrap your left hand around your waist as well. Release. If you find it difficult to catch hold of your foot, you can just bend your elbow and look back. Or you can interlock your fingers and pull the knee towards your chest and look back. Release. Now switch your legs and repeat same on the another side with same key points. Release and relax. Stretch your legs forward. Hamsasana. Sit in Vajrasana. Take your hands forward and point your fingers towards you. Come forward, bend your elbows and place your elbow just below your chest, around the navel. Stretch your legs back, look forward and balance your body. Release the posture and relax completely. Come forward to child pose. Close your eyes, normal breathing. Now come up and give a little twist to your wrist to relax wrist muscles. Take your both hands forward. Twist clockwise and anti-clockwise. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe the channel.